Yo, what's up mga treasure? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Philinbest City Central Park and nadaanan natin tong Southside Training Camp for Skateboard habang tayo nagja-jogging. So nakita ko tong mga kabataan na nagkukumpulan. So chinek ko kung ano yung ganap and as I check them out, so nakita ko meron pala silang training camp for skateboard. So chinek ko yung details and merong hanggang June na class na pwede nyong enrollan to learn how to ride some skateboard and do some tricks. So, mas okay tong gantong mga hobby and libangan kesa yung kung anong unhealthy yung gawin ninyo. So, it's a good thing for this kids, young adults, and even adults to venture in this kind of hobby. So, matututo ka na healthy pa and at the same time, syempre, tignan nyo naman kung magti-tricks, di ba? Napaka-cool. So, ayun lang, na-share ko lang. So, again, hanggang June yung class nila. You can visit online yung details para if you're interested, you can join the training camp. So, happy skateboarding, I guess. So, ayan, tignan nyo naman. Dadan!